ongoing shutdown led by Kokomi crippled normal life in the state to a large extent. The shutdown has been extended till 6 p.m. today. The 22-year-old Indo-Naga peace talks was concluded last evening at New Delhi. As per reports, the central government accepted certain demands of the NSA and IM on condition. The Indian government accepted on the Nagas having their own flag, but under a certain condition. The harvesting festival of Kuki-Chin and Mizo Kut is celebrated across the state today. Kut festival celebrations will also be held at the premises of 1st Manipur Rifles in Imphal, wherein several dignitaries will attend. The Northeast Students' Organization has resolved to intensify its movement against the centre's move to implement the Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB). According to reports, the winter session of Parliament will begin on November 18th, and during the session, the centre is likely to introduce a fresh version of the CAB.